Welcome back to Australian immigration. Today, we're tackling a complex and controversial topic, the recent passing of new detention laws for stateless convicts in Australia. This news has sparked debate and raised questions about justice, human rights, and the future of immigration in our nation. So let's get started. Background and court ruling. Let's rewind a bit. Last month, the High Court ruled that an unnamed and stateless Rohingya man convicted of child sexual offenses was being unlawfully detained. The court argued that with no country willing to accept him, his ongoing detention lacked a valid purpose. This landmark ruling opened a legal loophole, potentially allowing other stateless convicts to challenge their detention. The new laws and scope. In response, the Australian government swiftly passed new laws. These laws allow for the re-detention of former immigration detainees under specific circumstances. Primarily, these focus on individuals posing a high risk of committing serious violent or sexual offenses. The laws outline a court-ordered process for assessing risk and authorizing detention. Concerns and criticisms. The new laws have drawn criticism from human rights groups and legal experts. Concerns include the potential for indefinite detention, the subjective nature of high-risk assessments, and the potential for racial profiling. Some argue that these laws prioritize public safety over individual rights and could lead to unjust outcomes. Government perspective and justifications. The government, however, defends the new laws as necessary to protect the community from dangerous individuals. They argue that the laws strike a balance between public safety and individual rights, ensuring dangerous individuals are not released without adequate risk assessment and oversight. Potential implications and open questions. These new laws raise several questions for the future. How will they be implemented in practice? How will high risk be assessed? What safeguards are in place to prevent abuse or discrimination? And how will these laws affect Australia's international human rights obligations? The debate around these new laws is likely to continue. As your trusted source for Australian immigration information, we encourage you to stay informed and engage in respectful dialogue. We also encourage you to contact your elected representatives and share your concerns or opinions. Remember, your voice matters in shaping the future of immigration in Australia.